Good morning friends, I am going to share about the topic form handling in PHP. First we can see what is form. When you log into your website or into your mailbox, you are interacting with the form. The forms are used to get input from the user and submit it to the web server for processing. In PHP, HTML forms are a collection of HTML elements embedded within a page. By adding different types of elements, you can create different form fields. There are plenty of HTML form controls are available. Here are the list: text fields, buttons, checkboxes, radio buttons, file uploading controls, hidden controls, password controls, reset button, submit button, image control, selection list, customizable buttons, text areas. When and why we are using forms? Developing flexible and dynamic application that accept user input. Next, to edit already existing data from the database. How to create a form in PHP? There are minimal list of things you need to create a form. First one, opening and closing form tags, form submission type post or get method, submission URL that will process the submitted data, input fields such as input boxes, text areas, buttons, checkboxes, etc. In this syntax, a form as a tag, it can be used to handle the forms in PHP. There are two methods are used, action and method. Action, where to send the form data, and method describe how to send the form data. You can use two methods. First one is get, second one is post. In get method, a small amount of data it will be used. In post method, large amount of data to be sent. This diagram illustrates how the form handling process. We create a form, login form in PHP, and the form data submitted to the server by using a post variable and get variable. That data can be processed on the server using the file name .php. An example, registration form. For title, in this example, title tag, registration form. In body tag, registration form. We can create a form action registration. This is the registration form.php is a file name. Registration form.php, method equal to post. We can specify the URL for that particular file in action method. Input type equal to text, name equal to first name. In this line, input is a tag. It can be used for which control we can access. In this type, we can specify the form control, text area, text field, text buttons, and anyone else. This is the example show the output for the following form. First name is the and last name is the labels. Next two boxes, input boxes and submit buttons. In this form created, we can send the data to the server. Three global variables are used. First one is get and second one post and third one is request. In this first global variable get is used to send the form data from a smaller amount of data to send. Or else in post variable we can send large amount of data we can access. In request, get and post method are also used. We can access the request method. Request variable is a global variable, that is where we can use the variable, all the script we can access that variable. Here are the PHP code for that particular form. In $first name is a variable and $post is the super global variable for get the data from the server. First name and last name is also the same as post method, and last name is the variable we can create in the form also. Next, echo statement, it can be used to print the particular data. Here are the example. First name is Kavin and your last name is Krishna. Thank you.